Hello everyone, Samuel from CreativeTradingSystem.com. Making this video as a weekly recap, week ending today, October the 10th. So let's get started. It's already 3:40 and I'm done for the week. So I'm making this video. So let's get started and let me show you the first trade let me show you the chart, yen chart before that. This is the yen index chart I made on 27th September last Saturday, right? Saturday, preparing myself for the next week, which is today, this week, right? So I said here that this is going to go up somewhere here or here to finish up wave 5, right? And then when yen index goes up, what happened? All yen pair also go up, right? So after that, when the week started, very first day, Sunday evening, right? Let's look what happened after that. This is what happened. On the Sunday when we started, something happened in Japan, an election and all that, and in politics, politics, right? So pound yen went up 190 pip right from there. The 7-minute chart entry took the entry, and it went up bazooka, right? And the next trade, euro yen also, all yen pair went up, right? So 195, it went up big time. And then this one, Aussie yen, 90 pip, went up big time, and 105 pip CAD yen. And from 20-minute chart, you can see later on, I'll show you now what the heck happened here. I don't know. Okay, forget about that chart. Was Euro USD weekly chart. But this is USD yen from 20-minute entry here to 295 pip here on the 6th, Monday, right? And this is on Monday, pound yen. This is the entry from the 20-minute chart right there. The entry buy orders right there. SL move to, move to break even plus. And you can see here 375 pip. And this one, euro yen, 220 pip. The entry is right there. This is the entry right there. Right? And this is on the 6th as well, on Monday. And I made the chart, the yen index chart. Remember that, it will go up and all yen pair will go up. And that's exactly what was happening in the beginning of the week, right? And then you can see as euro Aussie, it's the 7-minute. This is also, well, this one has nothing to do with the yen, but yeah, it went down for 60 pip and pound. This is gold going to the upside. Gold has been going forever and ever and ever, right, to the upside. So every time you see the opportunity to go long, my EA take the entry, buy orders right there. And this is the entry here. Here, Aussie yen from the 7-minute chart, this entry on the 8th again, right? After retracing a little bit, then it went up again. Yen was keep going. All yen pair were going up, right? Then on the 8th, again, USD yen went up again from the 7-minute chart. You can see there's another entry on the 8th for 200 pip. Every opportunity there was, I took. Euro USD, actually, you will see a trade, the same entry and then 120, 130 pip trade. But this one, I recorded it but never closed it because it's not much. And to me, it was like more dropping to the downside. So I said, let it go instead of closing it and opening it again because this is not my favorite pair anyway. So Aussie, Euro Aussie, this went down from here to 80 pip, and then pound Aussie, this is also went down for 85 pip. Now, in the meantime, yen was all the way up. Let me show you what happened. Yen index chart, this is supposed to be going all the way to the upside to finish wave 5, and it finally did, and this is how it shows up, right? So it was very close to this. This is a channel TL almost about to hit. So I said, well, somewhere here it should retrace. Right, this is the chart I made on the 9th October, right? That yen pairs will now, what will happen if yen pair, yen index goes down, all yen pair flip to the downside. They will go down. Okay, this is on the 9th. And this chart is, it's also posted on my Telegram as well. So what happened to this one? After this, on the 9th, yen pairs, then you see the gold on the 9th also went down here. It went up all the way to the upside. And gold video I supposed to make, but I didn't, but I will make it later on sometime over the weekend, right? So this is what happened. This is gold, but and then this is on the 10th today, gold going to the upside. But now this is your Euro USD, this 20-minute chart going down here for 120 pip. And this pound USD, see this one, gold, Euro USD, sorry, was 60 pip to here. And then again, I held it open and then it went down here a little bit more. And then this is pound USD, open up here. This is also, the trade open was on 7th, but I held it open because these two pairs are moving very slow nowadays and the daily range is not good either. So, but anyway, it went up to, like 145 pip. Now you see that when I made this chart here, that this thing is going to go down and all yen pairs start to go down. And and this is on the 9th. So that's exactly what happened on 10th, that they start to flip to the downside. And this is as soon as it flipped, the first entry, boom. And after that, look, 150 pip to the downside, pound yen. And USD yen from here, nice entry here, 60 pip, failed to close on time, right? This is sometimes what happens. I mean, usually the price comes in the daily range and then stays there for a couple of hours for daily range, but it just mounts and then this is what happened. But then Aussie yen, look at that. Beautiful entry here and then went down on the 10th for 145 pip. There's a bigger one from the 7-minute chart as well. I mean, we're going to see the euro yen. Beautiful entry to the downside. So now all yen pair flip to the downside according to this chart. And this is also the chart that I posted on the Telegram for my subscribers, right? So where am I? All right. So yeah. So euro yen went down and almost now this one you can see Aussie yen. Aussie got weaker, and on top of that, yen was getting strong, and that's what happened from the 7-minute chart. 170 pip move to the downside all the way here. Right. And then, well, forget about that. So this is Euro USD, so some of the charts of this. So these are, probably like almost like 21, 22 trades this week. So this was much, much better week than the couple of weeks before when I had like 14, 15 trades and, sometimes 13, 12 trades, right? So this one, I have almost like 22 trades and big one, right? The yen pairs move big this one. So these are this is what the fact is that yen pairs, they have the daily range. I mean, look at this daily range here indicator. If I show you this broker here, a pound yen, for example, and by the way, pound yen, I made the chart that's going to drop, and then so far it came down here. So I'll make this, before and after chart video later on. But look at this. Average 60-day range is 121, right? And yesterday it did 157. Today it did 154. So now 157, 154. They're not increasing. So this, October, November, probably the trading is going to get better and range will increase, but then December will come. Everything will slow down, right? So in October, yes, there might be, and especially whatever the turmoil they have in their in Japan's politics, right? So this is what it is so far. So this is it for now. And hopefully over the weekend, I'll make the video about gold and US dollar index. Pretty, things are pretty interesting right now. And, big opportunities coming in. When there are problems out there, then market, move a lot, right? And then that's what we need. We want the volatility movement. And all you got to do is find the right direction. That's it. All right. So this is it for now. And hopefully, and if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to understand or learn how I do all these analysis and everything. So you can go on my website here. And, it's like one-on-one is right there. And I have, by the way, discount going on one-on-one right now, 50% off. So you might want to take advantage. And I have some opening as well for over the weekend. I can take some more people. My courses, Elliott Way, of course, Hermione Parent course, they are right there and like 75% off. So you can go and then take advantage of that. And the powerful, powerful courses, by the way. I mean, there are things that you probably not going to find anywhere else because I created some of these moves and diagrams and some of these setups, right? So I have like almost like 15 years now in doing this business, mumbo jumbo, right? So I observed some new things. And I made the charts on that and made, the courses around those things, and they're working pretty good. All right. So this is it for now. And hopefully I'll talk to you guys in the next video, which will be probably go. All right. So talk to you later.